Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live on the land and in freshwater, but not saltwater. They need to be near the water to stay moist and hydrated. However, they don't drink water, they absorb it through their skin. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about frogs. Go ahead and grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw. All right, first we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw 2 little circles, a little space in between. And then the head's going to be a little rainbow across the top. The body is going to be a giant circle. For the legs, you're going to come off to the side. We're going to draw a curved line. Come back to the bottom, but don't go all the way. Repeat that. Did you know a group of frogs is called an army? I didn't know that. There are over 50,000 different species of frogs around the world, except Antarctica, because it's too cold. They come in a variety of colors, shapes, sizes, and some are even poisonous. I'm going to draw a little open triangle here. And then webbed feet. Keep that. Now, the front 2 feet are going to come here. So the arms are going to start about halfway down, and then another one right next to it. Repeat that. And then the same feet, 2 triangles. Frogs lay their eggs in water. A group of eggs is called a frog spawn. When they hatch, they turn into tadpoles which breathe through gills. And eventually over time, as they mature into frogs, they develop lungs. Now a little line in between your curved line, this is going to be the bend in the hind leg. And then the mouth, we're going to come up here to the top. This guy is about to eat a fly, so I'm drawing his mouth open. And the eyes are going to be looking this direction, so let's just draw the fly. A little circle. And 2 wings. So his eyes are going to look at the fly. Frogs have long back legs and webbed feet. They can jump at least 20 times their body length. And believe it or not, they have 4 digits on their front legs and 5 digits on their back legs. Now you can draw in a few designs if you want. I like to do circles. Looks like frog skin. And then if you want, you could draw a lily pad, so it'll be just a giant oval. And then you can do a little triangle cutout. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Frogs never close their eyes, even when they sleep. They can see upward, downward, and sideways at all times. What's kind of cool is when they catch a prey, They blink, and closing their eyes helps push their food down their throat. Frogs have teeth, but they use them to hold their prey, not to chew. They like to eat grasshoppers, snails, slugs, and algae. The biggest frog in the world is called the Goliath frog, and it can weigh up to 7 pounds. That's as much as some newborn human babies. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this art class, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for upcoming art classes, and if you're interested in drawing some more, take a look through the library. There's a bunch of classes for you to choose from. I cannot wait to see what you create. Make sure you tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. See you next time.